It's Sunday and I think everybody must be in church right now because the streets are empty. Super unusual in the central business district. Need at least 10 to 15 packets more of nails. Good morning.
My name is Sam Kim.
My name is Mohamed Usman Bangura, but normally called Saba.
I'm Samuel Pidi.
I'm Franklin, but normally they call me the guy Jack.
We are all from Dokano.
And today we want to roll out all the rolls you can see there. And ideally get the rolls out that are still stuck in a container and find a creative solution for that. Let's see.
Every morning we're trying to find the right key for this lock. It's probably a waste of 15 minutes every day.
At least. Ended up in the situation that we apparently lost one key and now they have to break the lock with the forklift.
The players are putting down the shock pad and we're putting the rolls into place now and roll them out then.
Logo, bump, logo.
It's very noisy.
Great job, guys. Wow.
Push! Logo!
Blue line, all the way.
No blue line.
Hey, small boy.